My name is Rémy Kusters. I'm a physicist who turned machine learning scientist. So this background is also reflected in the scope of the research done by my team here at CRE, where we try to use methods from machine learning to assist physicists and other scientists in rationalizing their data sets. So machine learning still has the reputation of being a black box. So it works, but it's really difficult to understand how or why. So the main problem we try to address is how to make machine learning models more interpretable. So giving machine learning models the ability to provide interpretable solutions will allow them to be more widely used within quantitative science. So our team is still small, but currently consists of a PhD student with a background in physics and a postdoc with a background in mechanical engineering. But in the past we also had interns and undergrads from very different fields, ranging from life science to mathematics. One of the research questions that fascinates me the most is to what extent can we use machine learning to assist scientists with scientific discoveries. So in other words, can we automatize scientific discoveries or at least have algorithms that can help scientists with this process? By trying to discover the equations and patterns that underlie complex data sets, we can not only make good predictions with machine learning models, but also try to discover the mechanisms that are behind the data that we study. So machine-aided discovery of scientific models could potentially speed up scientific discoveries in many different fields and domains, especially those where universal models are very difficult to discover because the processes that we look at are very complex, such as biology and medicine. So to date, there have been major successes of applying machine learning to fields such as protein folding and astronomy, and I think there will be many more to follow soon. So we use actually many of the standard toolboxes from deep learning, such as PyTorch and TensorFlow. And we use these toolboxes as foundations for our model discovery algorithms that we develop. So currently we're developing DeepMod, which is a deep learning-based model discovery algorithm, which is an open source tool specifically built for our researchers for research into interpretable machine learning. As I mentioned before, I think that fields where the data is very complex and fields which are very data heavy would benefit most. Because in these fields, typically it's very difficult for humans to discover models from data. So fields that immediately come to mind could be molecular and synthetic biology, but applications can be as broad as the imagination of the scientists that are using these tools.